Okay, now let's have a look at the Facebook Pixel and how we're going to install it on your site. So if you're not aware what the Facebook Pixel is, it's a tiny piece of code that we put on the website that's able to track the users' actions and behaviors and what they actually do on your website. So for instance, if you ever visit a website and you're looking at a pair of shoes and all of a sudden they're following you around, that's the Facebook Pixel at work. And why you want to be able to use it then is to be able to do the very same thing, or to be able to track how your ads are working and how effective they are. So if we're running ad campaigns, this is how we're actually going to track that we attracted the right person, we got their interest through to they signed up for your free class or a free consultation, or even the purchase. So you went and bought those shoes. So if you went and bought those shoes in this case, it's going to track that you went through and bought those shoes, what actions you took, and assign the value of the purchase back to the ad that actually got you through. So in some instances, it could be the first ad or it could be the retargeting ad. A lot of the times it's the retargeting ad that gets assigned, because that's where it's super effective, because you looked at the shoes, you decided at that time the shoes aren't for you. So you're saying, okay, well, they're nice, but I'm not going to buy them right now. And then you're seeing them in Facebook, you're seeing them across Instagram, you're seeing them on some websites, and you say to yourself, oh yeah, actually, yeah, I want those shoes now. And you're more along in the decision process. So that's why the Facebook Pixel is super important, because yes, somebody came, we got them there, but they didn't take the desired behavior. So you're able to follow people around and get the most bang for your buck, basically, because when it comes to retargeting ads, they're actually really cheap. So you might have paid $5 to get somebody to visit your website, and it might have only cost you 60 cents for somebody actually to make the purchase on the retargeting ad. Because with the retargeting, you're actually only going to say, hey, show my ad to somebody who took this action. So that's why the pixel is super important. And I could literally just have a course on what you can do with the pixel and why it's super important. So here we go, we're back into Business Manager, and we're still in our business setting menu. So we're going to come down to data sources here, and we're going to click on pixel, click on add here, and the Viber Marketing Pixel, that's fine. So here you're going to add your website address. I'm going to click continue. So here we are. Are you ready to set up your pixel? And then we're going to click to continue to set up our business settings. And then we're going to hop in now to the Event Pixel Manager, which is the next step in getting it actually live on our website. So this is our pixel setup. So now we're going to grab our code and start our implementation.